A. Listen and read. The tiniest computer in the world.
The Raspberry Pi is the tiniest, lightest computer available in the world. The largest Raspberry Pi model is 85 by 56 millimeters. It's not the brightest or most colorful, but it can teach students a lot about math and science. It's used in schools around the world. There are 3 generations of Raspberry Pi models. The first is Raspberry Pi. The second is Raspberry Pi 2. Now there's Raspberry Pi Zero. The Raspberry Pi Zero is the newest model, and it's also the least expensive. It only costs $5. Older models were $25 to $35. The Raspberry Pi was created by scientists in London. These scientists noticed that students in many countries were doing poorly on their computer science exams. They decided that the problem was that computers are very expensive. Many schools, especially those in poorer countries, could not afford them. So these scientists created an inexpensive computer to use in classrooms. Students can do many things with a Raspberry Pi. They can draw simple graphics, take pictures, and create stories. They can even record and play sound. Over 2 million Raspberry Pi Zero computers have been sold. Now there are even Raspberry Jam events. Raspberry Pi owners meet at these events to share knowledge. The scientists who created the Raspberry Pi hope every child will soon have their own computer.